The secret to successful weight loss is no longer a mystery. It can be found in the foods we consume. Many of us are unaware that certain foods can help us attain our ideal weight and remain healthy, yet there are countless food items out on the market that contains essential nutrients and components that can assist individuals in their pursuit of a healthy lifestyle. Eating the right kinds of food has so many potential benefits, from boosting your energy levels to aiding in weight loss, and it's becoming increasingly clear that certain dietary choices can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. Are you trying to lose weight? In this video, we are going to show 9 amazing foods that will help you achieve your goals. These foods are also packed with nutrients and fiber that will help keep you full and energized all day long. Let's get started. Salmon. Salmon is a great choice for weight loss as it contains an abundance of healthy fats and proteins that are not only filling but can help to increase the overall metabolic rate. The protein in salmon helps to maintain lean muscle tissue, which has been shown to be more metabolically active than fat tissue, resulting in a higher caloric burn throughout the day. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been found to reduce inflammation and promote a healthy metabolism. In addition to having benefits for metabolic health, eating salmon can help individuals reach their weight loss goals because it is a nutrient-dense food that provides satisfaction with relatively few calories. Lean meat. Lean meats such as poultry, fish, and even pork can be very helpful in weight loss. Protein is the most filling of all macronutrients, meaning that it makes people feel full for longer periods of time. Eating lean meat can help to ensure that you are getting your recommended daily allowance of protein without consuming too many calories. Additionally, lean meats often have high levels of vitamin B, which play an important role in metabolic health and energy production. In general, lean meats are lower in fat and cholesterol than other types of protein sources like red meat. This makes them a more heart-healthy option when it comes to weight loss. Some studies have also suggested that including lean meats in your diet may help to reduce your risk for certain diseases as well. For example, regularly eating poultry has been associated with a lowered risk for colorectal cancer. It's thought that this may be due to its high content of certain minerals like selenium or zinc, which may help protect against cell damage and DNA mutations which can lead to cancerous growths. Potatoes. Potatoes are a great way to help with weight loss. Not only do they provide a good source of complex carbohydrates, but they also contain several important vitamins and minerals that your body needs for optimal health. Firstly, potatoes have a low calorie content, meaning that you can get the energy you need without gaining too many additional calories. They also contain dietary fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, thus reducing hunger cravings. Furthermore, potatoes contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium, which all work together to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning. In addition, it also contains resistant starch, which has been proven to help reduce excess body fat. Resistant starch is able to pass through our digestive system without being broken down into glucose or stored as fat. Instead, it acts as an appetite suppressant, helping to reduce hunger pangs throughout the day and leads to more controlled eating habits. Soups. Soups can be a great way to help with weight loss. Eating soup before meals can fill you up and reduce your appetite so that you don't eat as much during the rest of the meal. It also helps slow down eating and encourages mindful eating, which can aid in portion control. Soup has also been found to have a thermogenic effect, meaning it increases your body's metabolic rate and helps burn more calories. Additionally, soups are generally lower in calories than other foods, so they can help to reduce caloric intake overall when incorporated into a balanced diet. When selecting soups for weight loss, look for those that are broth-based without cream or processed meats. These kinds of soups will provide more nutrients than traditional cream-based ones. Choose soups made with vegetables like broccoli, carrots, spinach, and lentils, which are all low in calories but high in fiber. Nuts. Nutritionists agree that including nuts in your diet can be an excellent way to lose weight. This is because nuts are high in healthy fats and also provide you with a variety of other key nutrients like protein, fiber, and plant compounds that can benefit heart health. Research shows that adding nuts to your diet can help decrease body fat and promote long-term weight loss due to the increased satisfaction they offer. Nuts are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal plan. They make a great snack on their own or can be easily added as a topping for salads, oatmeal, and yogurt. Eating a handful of nuts daily can keep you feeling fuller for longer throughout the day, reducing your total calorie intake. This is largely thanks to their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which slow digestion, causing gradual sugar release into your bloodstream rather than sudden spikes in blood sugar concentrations. Green tea. Green tea has been shown to help people lose weight in a few different ways. It can increase the number of calories you burn during exercise. Studies have found that drinking green tea before exercising can boost your metabolism and help you to burn more calories during your workout. Additionally, green tea contains compounds called catechin, which help to reduce body fat by increasing the body's ability to break down fat cells. This means that even if you don't exercise while drinking green tea, your body will still be burning more fat. Further research suggests that regular consumption of green tea can also reduce appetite and make it easier for people to stick to a healthy diet plan. Green tea contains caffeine, which is known to suppress hunger and make it easier for people to resist unhealthy snacks or overeating. Lupini beans. Lupini beans are a great choice for weight loss. They are high in prebiotic fiber, which helps to nourish the beneficial bacteria living in the gut. With more beneficial bacteria, your body is better able to respond to insulin, which helps remove fat. Besides providing prebiotic fiber, lupini beans are also a rich source of protein and have minimal amounts of fat and carbohydrates. This combination makes them an excellent food for weight loss as they help increase satisfaction while providing essential nutrients. Moreover, they contain polyphenols which boost metabolism and speed up the breakdown of fats in the body. Shrimp. Shrimp is an excellent source of nutrition when it comes to losing weight. It's low in calories but high in protein, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A 3-ounce serving of shrimp contains only about 70 calories and 1 gram of fat. The protein found in shrimp gives you a feeling of fullness for a longer period, so you eat fewer calories overall. Eating shrimp can also help maintain muscle mass while dieting because it provides the essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. The vitamins and minerals in shrimp can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Additionally, the healthy fats found in fatty fish, like shrimp, can help reduce inflammation and promote heart health, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy weight. Shrimp is also versatile and can be cooked in a variety of ways. This makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of recipes that won't leave you feeling deprived or bored with your diet. You can add cooked shrimp to salads or use them as a topping on whole grain toast with avocado for a nutritious breakfast option. In conclusion, when it comes to eating the right foods to help lose weight, it's important to remember that a balanced diet of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are key. Eating regular meals throughout the day can also help with portion control and prevent overeating. Additionally, increasing physical activity can help you burn more calories and reach your health goals faster. Remember to always check with your doctor before starting or changing your diet or exercise routine. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on other social media platforms. This helps support us to keep making content like this. Until next time, thanks for watching.